In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Google Calendar as a PDF. This can be particularly helpful if you need a hard copy of your schedule or want to share your calendar in a more accessible format. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process into a few easy steps. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar by simply typing calendar.google.com into the address bar. Once you've logged in, ensure that you're on the calendar view. Now, it's important to select how you want to view your calendar. You can choose between several options: day, week, month, or schedule. Each view caters to different needs, so pick the one that best suits you. If you're looking at just today's appointments, the day view works perfectly. If you want a broader outlook, consider opting for the month view. Once you have the perfect view selected, it's time to bring up the print window. Here's where keyboard shortcuts make our lives a little easier. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and P together. For Mac users, it's Command and P. This keyboard shortcut promptly opens the print window, a crucial step in converting your calendar to a PDF. When the print dialog box pops up, you might initially see your connected physical printer, such as an HP or Canon, selected as the default option. But don't worry, what we need here is a digital pathway. So look for a drop-down menu where you can alter the destination. Click on this drop-down and you should see an option for Save as PDF. Sometimes this might be labeled slightly differently as Microsoft Print to PDF or simply Print to PDF. No matter the exact wording, the aim is to select a digital save option instead of sending it to a physical printer. After selecting Save as PDF, you might be presented with additional settings or options, but don't let that overwhelm you. What's important here is to ensure your document is formatted correctly for your needs. Take a moment to adjust any settings that might enhance clarity, such as page orientation or margins, though the defaults often work just fine. Finally, when everything looks good, hit the print button. This might feel counterintuitive since we're not actually printing on paper, but this step will initiate the process of saving your calendar as a PDF file. A new dialog box should appear asking you where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Choose your desired location, give your file a memorable name, and click Save. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert any view of your Google Calendar into a PDF file ready to be shared or archived as needed. Thank you for following along and happy organizing.